Worried the Microsoft Audience Network will burn your budget? It doesn't have to. When you set it up right, MAN becomes a cheap, steady assist that warms the right people and lifts your search results. Set the promise. I'll show you a clean setup that protects budget, the kind of creative native placements actually reward, the landing page tweaks that make clicks convert, and a simple 7-day rollout you can launch this week. Why MAN is worth using. Search captures demand that already exists. MAN helps you create and warm demand earlier, especially with remarketing and customer match. Used carefully, it feeds more qualified people into your brand, so branded search and high-intent terms perform better. It's a less crowded arena, offering lower costs and unique targeting like LinkedIn profile data. Protect your budget first. Run MAN in its own campaign with its own budget. Start warm with remarketing audiences, pricing viewers, demo page visitors, cart or form starters, and layer customer match lists like target accounts or open opportunities. Keep brand safety tight from day one with category and site exclusions. Add LinkedIn industry and job function in observation so you can see which roles and sectors respond without choking reach. Landing pages that resolve the promise. When someone arrives by clicking on an ad, they skim. Your H1 should mirror the ad promise. Put the primary call to action above the fold and label it with the outcome. Drop a tiny reassurance line like "take 2 minutes" or "no credit card required." Place micro proof right next to the button, a rating, a one-line quote, or a logo row. Use short or two-step forms with inline validation and a clear privacy line. Make it fast, mobile first, and dark mode safe. How to measure without fooling yourself. Don't judge MAN on last click alone. Look at assists into search, qualified lead rate or checkout starts, and the lift in branded search performance after launch. Keep a simple change log so you know what moved the number. One meaningful change per week is enough. Import offline conversions for B2B to get true ROI. To wrap it up, separate budget, warm audiences first, clear creative, message matched pages, and grown-up measurement. Do that and MAN becomes a quiet engine that warms demand and steadies your blended CPA. Hope you enjoyed. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.